Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is an acclaimed Indian actress and the winner of the Miss World 1994 pageant. Known for her beauty and grace, she is often considered one of the most beautiful women in the world. Aishwarya has had a successful career in both Bollywood and international cinema, starring in films like Devdas, Jodha Akbar, Guru, and A Dil Hai Mushkil. She made her acting debut in 1997 with Iruvar, a Tamil film, and her Bollywood debut the same year with Aur Pyar Ho Gaya. Over the years, Aishwarya has received numerous awards for her performances, including Filmfare Awards. In 2007, she married Abhishek Bachchan, a fellow actor and son of Amitabh Bachchan, one of India's most iconic stars. They have a daughter named Aradhya. Aishwarya is also known for her charity work and has served as a Goodwill Ambassador for the United Nations. In addition to her acting career, she has represented top international brands and walked on prestigious red carpets, particularly at the Cannes Film Festival.